Hello and welcome to Tutorialspoint. Today in online marketing, we will discuss about the tools and the resources. What are the tools that you can use and implement in actually driving traffic to a website and analyzing the traffic that is coming to your website. Tools play a very important role, very crucial and critical role as far as analyzing the performance of all your online activities. There are many tools available, some excellent tools are available to actually analyze the performance of a website, performance of a landing page, or even the performance of your social media activities or social media performance. And let's check them out, what are these tools are all about. First, we have got the qualitative tools. Basically, qualitative tools tell us about why it has happened and why is an important element in actually analyzing the analytical part of your performance. Quantitative tools basically tell us the numbers that we are talking about, but qualitative tools will talk about and provide us the insightful analysis why it has happened. Let us say, for example, if you got a traffic of about 5,000 per day yesterday, today if the traffic has dropped to 4,500, these tools will tell us about why the traffic has dropped. This why is an extremely important point. But in qualitative tools, we have got the insights, user behavior and user experience. In insights, we have got Qualero, Survey, Monkey and Survey.io, extremely important tools to analyze the insightful analysis information related to a particular website or a landing page. Then we have got the user behavior, how the users are behaving on a particular website and a landing page. These are some of the tools. Excellent, Crazy Air, ClickTail, Inspirate and SessionCam are some of the excellent tools that actually provide you insightful information on the user behavior. Then we have got the user experience. In user experience, some excellent tools are available to actually understand the user experience of a particular website or a landing page. We have user testing, then we have got 5-second test. These are extremely important tools to analyze the behavioral pattern of the users on the website, because the users, they do not give much time on the website or the landing page. It's precisely in seconds only, 10 seconds, 20 seconds or at least 30 seconds, and within that period of time your website and the landing page has to capture the imagination of the visitor coming to your website and the landing page. And they provide a lot of silverback, again an excellent tool to actually analyze and provide you insightful information as far as user experience is concerned. These are some of the qualitative tools that you can use and implement in your analytical performance and insightful analysis. Then we have got quantitative tools. Quantitative tools are basically about the numbers. How much traffic is coming, what is the bounce rate, what is the session rate. They talk about the numbers, quantifying the complete information, analytical information of your website or the landing page. You have got Google Analytics, extensively used, provides a wealth of information with a lot of features to analyze the behavioral pattern of the traffic that is coming to your website, and you can take informed decisions. Then we have got Vapra, then we have got Kissmetrics, then Mixpanel and Clicky are some of excellent tools that provide quantifiable information to you to actually analyze the performance of your website and landing page. And these are some of the Omniture and Adobe Analytics are very big tools, very costly tools, and these tools are basically used at enterprise level. Depending upon your company, depending upon the kind of services that you are offering, the size and the scale of the company, you can use these tools to quantify the results and take informed decisions. Then we have got the testing tools. Testing plays a very important role before you actually go on implementing your online assets in terms of the blogs, in terms of the landing pages, in terms of the website. A website or a landing page or blog has to be completely thoroughly tested, each and every part, so that you can provide high quality experience to the end user. Optimizely, Unbounce, Visual Website Optimizer, AppFlyer, Adobe Target and Visio are some of excellent tools that provide a lot of information where you can test your websites, test your blogs, test your landing pages before you can actually think of implementing them. In conclusion, what we have seen is, we have seen qualitative tools, quantitative tools and the testing tools. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.